I'm done. I don't need to grow no more hair. Like, I am good, because I'm not that type of girl who wants Rapunzel type of hair. No, I'm not that type. I just need big hair. Like, the bigger the better. Like, my hair needs to grow towards the Lord. Like, my hair needs to define gravity. That's what I'm here for. Like, I feel the sexiest in a big ass fro. That's just me. Like, I feel the sexiest in a big ass fro. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for coming back, and thank you so much for joining me today. To my new subscribers, thank you so much for your support. I see and I appreciate each and every one of you. My name is Debbie, for those who don't know. If you haven't watched my introductory video, which you should have by now, my name is Debbie. Nice to meet you. Let's see, it's been a while since I did a video like this, like a talk face-to-face kind of chatty video. However, today is a different type of video. Today I'm actually coming with a review type of video. Today is actually the day I would post my protective styles video, my natural hair, style video and stuff like that. But you guys know, I am on a hair growth journey, right? So I can't be messing with my hair like that every weekend, you know what I mean? Which, to be honest, I really don't do too much to my hair. Like, other than me showing you guys during the weekends, styling my hair to show you guys how to style your fussy hair, how to slay and all of that good stuff, I normally don't do much to my hair. Like, during the week, my hair is always like this. Like, my hair is in these cornrows, 6 cornrows going all back, and I just wear my wig. Like I wear my wig to work, to whatever, and either a wig or it's either I wear a wig or a head scarf, like a turban or whatever, like head wrap or whatever. That's what my hair. I normally don't do too much to my hair. So that's because I'm on a hair growth journey. So like, I want to show you guys how to style your hair, but at the same time I'm conscious about how detrimental that can be for my own hair. And I do really want to grow my hair, guys. I've grown it before. You guys should go back and watch my natural hair video, my natural hair journey video. I've grown it before. I know I can grow it, so I just have to do what I need to do to get it to grow, which doesn't include me manipulating my hair that often. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing a wig with you guys. A wig I actually made a while ago, to be honest. And yeah, I actually got the hair from AliExpress and I made the wig, because like I said, I mostly just wear wigs. Like, I have a wig for workplace, I have a wig for outing, I have a wig for the weekend, I have a wig, I have different wig for different occasions. That's what black girls do, that's what we do. So I decided to share one of my wigs with you guys today. One of the ones I actually made myself. And yeah, just to give my fro a rest, and just to still keep putting out content. But and if you guys want to see how I made the wig, I would love if this video gets to like 200 likes and to like let's not push it, let's just say like 2k views. If this video gets to 2k views and 200 likes, I'm gonna put out the video of how I made the wig. I'm actually gonna buy another hair from AliExpress and make the wig, because like I said, this I made way back before I even started my YouTube channel, so I didn't film it. But if you guys want to see how I made it, I'm definitely gonna do a video of it. So yeah, let's just jump right into the video and I'll see you guys later. So I actually haven't worn the wig for a while, because during the weekend I slay my hair for you guys. During the week I have another wig I wear to work, so it's kind of in a bad state right now, but we're gonna make it come back to life. So if you want to see inside of it, look at that. That's inside of it. You can actually see that that's handmade. I made that myself. Look at that. You can see that it's actually I made that. That's the band right here. That's the band, the hair band. So that was handmade by me, because yeah, it was just easier for me to make a wig. And it's a curly wig, because you guys know I love curly hair, the bigger the better. And yeah, so I'm just gonna bring the coils back to life, because like I said, I haven't worn it in a while. It's literally looking like it's looking like a dead animal right now. But this, we're gonna slay her right now. We're gonna slay this fro, we're gonna wear her, we're gonna slay, we're gonna do magic to the fro. So yeah, let's just get right into it. so it actually like doesn't shed at all. I mean, not at all, like it barely sheds, like just it's really a good hair. Like I said, I've had it for like a year, and it's been through a lot. It's been through a lot, you know, and it's still good. Like I said, all I need to do is just spritz a little bit of water in there, and yeah, and I just bring it back to life. I love this type of wigs. Like it's these are the type of wigs I love, like curly wigs, big hair wigs. And actually what I'm gonna do right now, yeah, is because you guys know I love big hair, the bigger the better. So to like, you know, just because I spritz a little bit of water in there, it's kind of, you know, mushy and just, you know, lifeless. So I want to give it back, you know, the bounce and, you know, the shape and everything. So I'm going to actually go in with my blow dryer. If you haven't seen the review I did on this blow dryer, you should go see that. I'll link that below as well. So this is the final look. I tried to fluff it out as much as I could. You guys know this is, I live for this. This is what I live for. Like the bigger the better. Like, so like I love a good big hair. Like that's what I'm here for. Like my hair actually got to this stage when I first went natural back in 2014. However, I didn't know how to love it back then. I didn't know how to appreciate it back then, and I just neglected it. And you know, we got, you know, kind of rough with it back then, but now I know what to do. I'm wiser, I've got time, and we're gonna get this hair back to this beautiful fro. You know what I'm saying? Like as soon as my hair gets to this stage, says I'm good, I'm done, I don't need to grow no more hair. Like I am good, because I'm not that type of girl who wants a Rapunzel type of hair. No, I'm not that type. I just need big hair. Like the bigger the better. Like my hair needs to grow towards the Lord. Like my hair needs to define gravity. That's what I'm here for. Like I feel the sexiest in a big ass fro. That's just me. Like I feel the sexiest in a big ass fro. That's just me, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, this is it, guys. And as I said, this hair was super easy to make. It is versatile, it is convenient. If I just want to look, you know, bomb, I could just bring this out and I'm good to go. And yeah, as I said, if you guys want to see me recreate this wig, because like I said, I made it. If you want to see me recreate it, let's just get this video to 2K views and 200 likes, and I'm gonna be here, with a video of me making this wig step by step. And we can do that. Let's just share the video, you know, share the video with your friends, family, and everyone who's hair obsessive as I am, you know what I mean? And let's get the video to 2K views and 200 likes, and doesn't matter how long we take. As soon as we get there, I'm gonna be out with the video. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you did, subscribe, like, comment, and share. I said, if you did, subscribe, like, comment, and share. Subscribe, comment, like, and share. Subscribe, comment, like, and share. All right, enough of the madness. I'm gonna head out. I'm blessed to be. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on my next video. All right, now, bye.